Hello dear, once again you're welcome to Ify Brand Clinic. Yes, and today I'll be talking on natural remedies for kidney problems. Yes, but before we proceed on this topic, I need you to do me a favor. Go to Ify Brand Clinic page, follow the page, like the page, comment on the page on the topics you have listened or watched so far. Then share this page to your friends, your loved ones, and your family so that they can as well benefit from this page. Yes, I need you to follow this page so that you can keep or you can always get updates whenever it is dropped from this page. Yes, so back to our discussion for the day, which is what natural remedies for kidney problems. Yes, now I want to tell you those harmful habits that brings about kidney problems or kidney disease or kidney issues. Yes, what are those harmful habits that you do? You don't even know that they are very, very harmful to your kidney. One of those habits is what? Overusing of painkillers. Yes, you tend to use painkillers in every pain you feel. You are always on painkillers. You're always taking painkillers. A little waist pain, painkillers. A little leg pain, painkillers. You can't do this, painkillers. It is very, very, very harmful to your kidney. So you need to stop the use of or the overuse of painkillers. Another thing again you need to stop is eating of processed foods. Yes, these processed foods have very, very harmful chemical they use in preserving them. It is not good for your kidney. Stop eating processed food. Why don't you make your food by yourself naturally? As it is gotten, you prepare it naturally and eat it instead of depending on processed food. Processed food are not good for your kidney. Another thing again is what? You not drinking enough water. Yes, water is very, very good for our kidney. Water helps to moisturize. It helps to keep our kidney hydrated. When your kidney is dehydrated, it tends to lead to kidney stone and other kidney problems. Yes, it gives allowance and space for kidney stone to grow and develop. So make sure you are always hydrated. Another thing again you need to avoid doing is what? You need to avoid not sleeping. Yes, you need to start sleeping. Most people tend to work too hard that they hardly find time to sleep or time to rest. Once you're not sleeping, you're stressing your kidney, and once you're stressing your kidney, it can always result to kidney problems. So ensure you start sleeping very, very well. It is good for your kidney. Another thing again you should avoid not doing is what? Eating of too much meat. You know, when you eat meat too much, it tends to be very, very harmful to your kidney. So learn to eat lesser of meat and more of fish. It will help your kidney. Another thing again is what? Eating of sugary things. There are people who cannot do without eating anything that has sugar inside. They don't like bitter things. You don't like any other things that does not have sugar. You eat chocolate, you eat sweets, you eat, in fact, any form of sugary things is what you like eating. You need to stop it. It is not good for your kidney. Another thing again is drinking of alcohol in excess. Yes, drinking of too much alcohol. You drink this brand, you drink this one, you drink this one, you drink this one, whichever one they bring, you drink. You drink beer, you drink gin, you drink whatever brandy, you drink champagne, you drink tequila, whatever kind of drink, alcohol that is brought to your way, you don't care. You are always drinking. It is not good for your kidney. It is not good for your kidney. It damages, it destroys your kidney. Yes, and I will have to tell you those symptoms. When you start feeling them, you know that your kidney have started having issues. You know that you started developing kidney issues. One of those symptoms are weight loss. You understand? Or when you start having a poor appetite to eat food. You see, when you notice that you're losing weight and you no longer, you that usually eat very, very well, you no longer enjoy eating. Trust me, you need to go and have some checkup about your kidney, because that could be kidney problem. That could be a sign that your kidney is beginning to have some issues, which can be remedied, which can be prevented, which can be controlled. So when you start having loss of weight, you should know that your kidney, or you start losing appetite to eat, possibly it might be that your kidney is beginning to have some issues. Yes, another thing again is when you start having swollen feet, or your hands are beginning to swell up, or your ankles are swelling up. That is another symptom for kidney disease. Yes, or kidney issues or kidney problems. Yes, another thing again is when you start having this will I say shortness of breath. Yes, you hardly breathe fine. You start seeing yourself, it's as if your breath is so seasoned. You understand? You cannot get a better air. From time to time, you see yourself having this issue of breathing very, very well. That is as a result of maybe your kidney has started developing or having an issue. So you need to go and check yourself very well and take the proper precaution, which will be given to you later on in this video. Yes, tiredness. There are people that they cannot work for a long distance. Any little thing you're tired, any little work you're tired, whatever you do you are always tired, and that was not how it used to be before. That is another symptom for kidney problem or kidney issues. Another thing again is when you have blood in your urine. Yes, when there is blood in your urine, you know, there are people that when you urinate, instead of urinating the normal urine you usually do, you now start finding out that your urine color have changed to blood, as if you're urinating blood out. You need to go and do your checkup to be sure, because that is a symptom. That is one of the symptoms for kidney problems. Yes, another thing again is when you start having this constant urination at night. You know, there are people that before daybreak they would have gone for you to urinate several times. You know, constant urination can be is another symptom of a kidney problem. But that one specifically at night, you see yourself always going to urinate at night, it is not good. It is a sign, it is a symptom for kidney problem. Another thing again is itching of your skin. You know, when sometimes you stay, you notice that your skin is always itching you, from time to time, even when you did not use any soap or apply any cream that should lead to such, or even change the normal water you usually use, but you notice that your skin is always itching you. That is another symptom for a kidney problem. Then another thing again is when you're finding it difficult to sleep, which is called insomnia. Yes, if you're finding it difficult to sleep, trust me, you need to go and check. Even some people that even with drugs, when they keep taking drugs, you cannot do without taking drugs to sleep. That is an issue. That is a cause to worry for. So you need to go and have a proper checkup to be sure of what is wrong with you. Yes. Now moving on, I will have to tell you some vegetables and that you need, you understand, to help your kidney to function well, to cleanse your kidney, to protect your kidney. Those vegetable food you need to eat. You need to ensure that your kidney is properly checked or kept on check. One of those vegetable you see help to prevent kidney problems, or it helps kidney patients as well, kidney problem patients as well. One of those vegetable is what? Cabbage. Yes, cabbage. You see, cabbage is one of the perfect or one of the best vegetable to consume for people who are having kidney problems, or those who doesn't even want to develop kidney problems. Yes, cabbage will help to keep you on check. Another thing again is spinach. Yes, spinach. That's spinach is a different kind of a vegetable leaf on its own. But you see that spinach is very, 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 very good for kidney problems. Yes, when you have kidney problems, you should avoid the consumption of every other kind of vegetable. Concentrate more on spinach. It is very, very good for your kidney. It is very, very good for your body, because that spinach, it builds a very strong immune system that can fight those kidney stones, that can dissolve it. Spinach is good for consumption. Another thing again is sweet potato, not Irish potato, sweet potato, the sweet one, when boiled, not fried. Boiled sweet potato is always good. Yeah, especially when you boil it or when you cook it with that spinach leaf. Yes, it is very, very good for kidney patients. It helps kidney patients to suppress those pains you usually feel because of that kidney stone. Yes, sweet potato is always good for kidney patients, kidney disease patients. Yes, onions is also good. Carrots is also good. Garlic, ginger is also good for kidney patients. Yes, cucumber as well is very, very, very good for kidney patients. Watermelon is also good for kidney patients. Tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, not all this would I say tin or liquid or sachet or whatever kind of tomato, but fresh tomato is also good for kidney patients. Yes, consume more of this. And banana as well is good as a form of fruit. It is very, very good for kidney patients, kidney problem patients. Banana is good. So another thing again, there are other things you should also consider eating whenever or giving people who are having kidney problems, like egg white. Yes, egg white is a very, very, very good food to give kidney patients. Yes. What is it called? Fatty fish. Yes, fatty fish. Yes, fish is very, very good for kidney disease patients. Yes, make sure you always give them fatty feeds, because they need that kind of fish. The oil, the fatty nature, those ingredients, those elements, those compounds that are in that fatty fish is good for kidney patients. So now moving on, let's talk about the fruits that kidney patients need to always eat, or that you that doesn't even have kidney problems need to consume or eat to keep your kidney on check, no matter what you do, no matter how tiring your job or stress you pass through on daily basis. These are the fruits you need to keep eating to keep your kidney on check. You need to always take lemon juice, which is very, very important for your kidney. It flutes it, you understand? It flushes away all those kidney storms that are prevent them from growing. Yes. Another thing is pineapple. You need pineapple in large consumption. You need to keep consuming pineapple. Another thing again you need is apple. Yes, you need to consume more of apple for a healthy living to ensure that your kidney are well kept on check. Yes, you need to consume red grapes. Yes, red grapes. You know, we have different kind of grapes, but the red grapes is what is required here. Yes, another thing again you need is what? You need watermelon. Like I mentioned before, is very, very good for your kidney. It's it's an enhancer. You understand? It helps to keep your kidney on check. It helps to flush away all those toxins around your kidney that will lead or that will form kidney stone. Yes, banana also is good. Banana is good to keep your kidney on check as a form of fruit. Yes, then you need blueberry. Yes, blueberries are good for kidney. They help to protect the kidney. They help to keep it moisturized. They help to keep it healthy. Yes, cranberries as well are very, very good for your kidney. Yes, both blueberry and cranberry are very, very good fruits to consume. It helps to keep it always keep your kidney on check. Yes. Now you as well, someone who have kidney problems or kidney disease, or you that doesn't have, it is always good to make sure that you keep checking your blood pressure. Yes, because you see, when your blood pressure is high, it's very, very easy for kidney stone to form in your system. So make sure you are always checking your blood pressure. Now, I want to tell you that natural remedy you need. How do you do, or what should you do? How would you miss this? You understand what I'm saying? To cure or to control any form of kidney problems or disease, especially kidney stone. Yes, all you need is what? Get your lemon and extract the juice. Get a little quantity of garlic, not much, because many people don't like garlic because of the smell, but you need it. It is very, very essential in this particular issue. Get a little quantity of garlic, blend it together, then get your watermelon. Yes, I said watermelon. Extract the inner part of that watermelon as well as the seed. Blend it together with that garlic. Yes, then extract the juice. Mix it with that lemon juice. Then get your honey. Yes, original honey without any form of preservative or addition. Original honey, not mixed honey. Mix these four things I just mentioned together in a bottle. Yes, you can get a plastic bottle or the normal glass bottle. Mix it together in there. Make sure you keep it safe and properly. Yes, that's kidney patients, that kidney disease patient or kidney problem patient you have around you. Make sure you give them 2 spoons morning and night. Practice it for 21 days. Trust me, you will come back to say thank you for this video. It is tested. It is trusted. It happens. Yes, it is natural. There is no additive inside. There is no chemical product inside. Everything I just mentioned is natural. It has no side effects. All that I mentioned has no side effects. You're not putting any form of chemical. It is not drugs. They are natural fruits. They are natural things you can easily get. So you don't need to stress yourself too much to say maybe how do I get this? How do I get that? Or what will be the result? Or doesn't it have any side effects? These are natural things you can easily get. Yes. Now, I want to tell you what to do to keep your kidney healthy. What are those things you need to do for you that doesn't have kidney problems to keep your kidney healthy? One of those things is what? You should always get enough sleep. It is very, very important to always sleep. Get enough sleep. If you must ensure that your kidney is healthy, always sleep. It's very, very important. You don't need to stay days without sleeping. If you are harming your kidney, you're stressing your kidney functioning. Yes, your kidney have to function properly when you have a good sleep. Another thing again is what? You should stop smoking for those who smokes. Smoke is not good for your kidney. It destroys, it burns, it kills your kidney entirely. Yes. Another thing again is that you should stop alcohol or limit your alcohol intake. Yes. constant or excess intake of alcohol is not any form of alcohol. It has no limit. Any form of alcohol is not good for your kidney. Limit your intake of alcohol. Yes. Another thing again you must stop is what? You should reduce stress activities. Yes. You should reduce stressing yourself too much is not good for your kidney. So reduce those stressful activities you usually engage yourself in. Then another thing again is what? You should only eat natural and healthy food. Stop processed food. It is not good for you. It is not good for your kidney. Processed food are not good for you and your kidney. Another thing again is what? You should avoid. You should what? Avoid anything that is not prepared naturally. All this chemically prepared food, like I said before, processed food, all this imported food and so on and so forth, canned foods are not good for your kidney. Eat homemade, eat naturally prepared food. Then last but not the least, eat more of fish, yes, and less of meat, especially red meat. Then to wrap it up, always drink water. In fact, drink water even when you are not thirsty. Drink water even when you don't need to drink water. Keep drinking water. Water has no limit. It has no side effects. There is no medical or scientific proof that water harms. Water is good for your system. Always keep your body hydrated. Always keep yourself hydrated. Always make sure you are drinking water. Drink water. Drink water. Drink water. It is good for your body growth and development entirely. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Like I always say, there is more to learn and gain from this page. Just keep following, keep liking, and keep commenting. Yes, and also refer other people to this page for them to be part of this educative information you're getting for free. Thank you, and God bless.